All right, what's going on, guys? It's your boy EJ, and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the Boyamic 2. This is going to be my first microphone that has the 32-bit float in it. As y'all know, I do favor Boyamics. I have the Lynx version 1. I also have the Boyamic version 1 as well. And I'm going to be picking up the Boyamic Lynx version 3. The round. They went from the longer ones to the round ones. But let's check this thing out, guys. Here go the microphone. Let's see what else they got in the box. Probably got a lot of accessories. All right, you got a bag. This bag is where you're gonna pretty much put your case in. Pretty much gonna go like that. Put your case in there. What else they got in here? Okay, so they give you some Lavalier mics. They give you the clips, and they give you the windscreens. I tend to not use those. Put all that back in the bag. I tend to not use the Lavalier mics. Nothing wrong with them, but I usually don't like to run a cord. Instructions. And then it looks like your standard cables. Yeah. Your standard cables and your windscreen. So here go the windscreen for the, oh, that's nice. They made it a little different. I don't know if you guys can see that, but they slightly made it a little different. USB to USB-C. And of course your cable for the 3.5 for your, to plug your unit into like a digital camera. All right, let's look in this microphone and see what we got. This is just going to be a short unboxing, guys. I'm not going to do a test in this video. Nice case. The case looked more compact than the Boyamic version 1 that I have. Like I said, this one here does come with the 32-bit float. Oh, okay, that's what that's for. I see now. Yeah. These microphones are actually translucent. Of course, you got the little magnet, so you can magnet to your clothes. This is a very, very small mic. Here go. Oh, the receiver is very small too. And you got your headphone jack, so you can monitor your audio, and the output for your record. That's where your mic jack would pretty much go. And then stick this other end into your digital camera. This is nice, guys. This is very nice. This one here that I got only comes with the USB-C because I do not use, my iPhone has USB-C. My iPhone don't have the old system, the lightning port. Yeah. That's pretty much how that would go. And then you would just stick this USB-C port into your device, your cell phone, your tablet, your computer. They got USB-C on it. See if it got battery charge on it. No. Yeah, guys, that's a quick unboxing of this unit. Here's your other receiver. And then here's your... That's pretty much how that would go on there. Got the little Afro puff on it. This piece here is not... It don't seem like this one here is magnetic. Let me unplug these, take these little stickers off, and that way they'll charge up so we can do an audio test. Where is this at? Take these little stickers off. So don't forget to do that, guys. You need to take the stickers off so that it'll charge up in the case. Oh, it also has a USB-C here, so I guess you can use this USB-C instead of using the one that attaches there. Plug all that back in there. There we go. See if you guys can see that. Yep, so we'll let that charge up. And then we should be good to go. I wonder, can these close with... No. They didn't do that, but that's going to be it, guys, for the... It's going to be it. We're going to let this thing charge because it only got 2 dots on it. So we're going to let this charge up. And then I'm going to come back and do another video testing out the mic so we can hear how the audio and stuff sounds. Get that little extra fluff off of there. Seems like they could have made these things here a little smaller. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this part of the video. I'm going to catch y'all guys in a little bit when I do the actual audio test.